there's exciting buzz among Honda Fury chopper fans. People are already talking about the possible upgrades and modern features that could arrive with the 2027 Honda Fury. If Honda decides to introduce this iconic factory chopper with a fresh approach, it could combine its timeless chopper styling with today's latest technology. But what kind of upgrades could we actually expect? In today's video, we'll explore the biggest possibilities, rumored improvements, and features that could make the 2027 Honda Fury more exciting than ever. So make sure you watch until the end. There has been a lot of growing discussion surrounding the 2027 Honda Fury chopper. And if you're a fan of chopper motorcycles, this is definitely a name you're already familiar with. The Honda Fury has always stood out because of its unique factory-built chopper design. While most manufacturers focused on traditional cruisers, Honda took a different approach by creating a motorcycle with long raked front forks, a stretched teardrop fuel tank, an ultra-low seat height, a long wheelbase, and a wide rear tire. These signature elements gave the Fury an unmistakable presence on the road, making it look unlike almost anything else in its class. That's one of the reasons why the Honda Fury continues to enjoy a loyal following, especially in the United States and several other countries where factory choppers remain highly respected. Now, the biggest question surrounding the potential 2027 Honda Fury is how much Honda might change without losing the motorcycle's legendary identity. Most enthusiasts don't want a complete redesign. Instead, they hope Honda will preserve the classic chopper styling that made the Fury so iconic while refining it with modern craftsmanship and premium finishes. Many expect the next generation model to feature higher quality paint, improved chrome detailing, upgraded body panels, a more comfortable seat, and an overall more premium appearance. If that happens, the motorcycle wouldn't just look more luxurious, it would also feel more refined and better suited to today's premium cruiser market. When it comes to styling, many enthusiasts believe Honda should stay true to the Fury's unmistakable silhouette. The stretched front end, low-slung profile, slim yet elongated fuel tank, exposed V-twin engine, sweeping chrome exhaust system, and low riding position are all key characteristics that define the motorcycle. Rather than replacing these elements, Honda could enhance them with richer paint finishes, deeper metallic colors, brighter chrome accents, and updated LED lighting to create an even more striking appearance during both daytime rides and nighttime cruising. These subtle refinements could modernize the motorcycle while preserving the personality that made it famous. If Honda eventually introduces the 2027 Honda Fury with this approach, the improvements may go far beyond appearance alone. Better overall build quality, a more comfortable riding experience, stronger road presence, and a more premium feel could all become part of the package. That is exactly what many Fury enthusiasts around the world have been hoping for. A motorcycle that remains true to its factory chopper roots, while meeting the expectations of today's riders, with modern refinement and timeless style. If the 2027 Honda Fury chopper is eventually introduced with new upgrades, one of the biggest areas of focus could be modern technology and rider convenience. Many enthusiasts expect Honda to equip the motorcycle with a full LED lighting system, including a brighter LED headlight, LED turn signals, and an LED taillight to improve visibility while giving the bike a more premium and contemporary appearance. A new TFT, or hybrid LCD instrument display, could also be part of the package, providing clear access to information such as speed, gear position, fuel level, trip meter, odometer, clock, and other essential riding data. If Honda adds Bluetooth smartphone connectivity, riders could also benefit from call notifications, message alerts, music controls, and turn-by-turn navigation, making long-distance rides more convenient than ever before. Riding performance is another area where many improvements are expected. Honda could introduce an updated dual-channel ABS system along with Honda selectable torque control, traction control, to provide greater confidence on different road surfaces. An assist and slipper clutch could make gear changes smoother, while reducing rear-wheel instability during aggressive downshifts. The electronic fuel injection system may also receive further refinement for smoother throttle response, more consistent power delivery, and improved overall efficiency. Suspension tuning could be upgraded to deliver a more comfortable ride on both highways and city streets, while improvements to the braking system, chassis rigidity, and overall balance could make the motorcycle feel even more stable and confidence-inspiring. The engine is expected to remain one of the Fury's biggest strengths. Many fans hope Honda will continue using the proven 1,312cc liquid-cooled 52-degree V-twin engine, because it has always been a defining part of the motorcycle's character. However, the engine could receive updated tuning to comply with modern emission standards while maintaining its strong performance. Riders may also see smoother throttle response, improved fuel efficiency, reduced vibration, and a more refined riding experience without sacrificing the deep V-twin character that Fury owners appreciate. Alongside these mechanical improvements, new premium paint options, brighter chrome finishes, higher quality seat materials, and improved overall craftsmanship could make the 2027 model feel even more luxurious. It's important to remember that all of these features and upgrades are based on current expectations, industry speculation, and discussions within the motorcycle community. Honda has not officially announced the 2027 Honda Fury Chopper or released any confirmed specifications, launch date, or technical details. As a result, the final production model, if introduced, could include different features, styling, and specifications from those discussed here. So, that's everything we know so far about the 2027 Honda Fury Chopper. At the moment, most of the information being discussed is based on possible upgrades, industry expectations, and ongoing conversations within the motorcycle community. Honda has not officially announced the 2027 Honda Fury Chopper, nor has the company confirmed a launch date, specifications, or final features. However, if Honda decides to introduce this iconic factory chopper in the future, many riders hope it will retain its legendary design while offering modern technology, improved comfort, and meaningful performance upgrades that fit today's riding experience. Now, we'd love to hear from you. If the 2027 Honda Fury Chopper becomes a reality, what feature would you like Honda to add the most? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoy videos about upcoming motorcycles, possible future models, and the latest motorcycle news, don't forget to like, subscribe to Bike News, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest updates. Thanks for watching, ride safe, and we'll see you in the next video.